Hello, Jimmy Clewes Woodturning. Yes, we're taking bookings for the courses now for May 2018. Yeah, 4 of you. Yeah, that's not a problem. And what are the names? Nick, Agar, yes, okay. Mike Mahoney, all right. Richard Raffin, and Michael Hosseluk, okay, Hosseluk. That's fine. And what sort of level of turning are you guys doing? All novice beginners. Okay, that's not a problem. Anyway, then we look forward to seeing you in May. Lovely. Thank you very much. Bye. Go. Now, you may like to wonder why Jimmy's courses are so popular. So what I've tried to do is do a little bit of a brief insight into one of the courses while I'm staying with him. And hopefully over the next couple of minutes you'll see what they're like. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, what are you doing, Jimmy?
Hey mate, I'm just making the course meals. I've got a class Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and that is for the spaghetti and meat sauce, and this is going to be the chili. So I'm just getting the meat ready and get these all done because they taste a lot better when they've been made for a day or two. All the flavours soak in. So that's it. Throw it up right out to here. We only need, if we do me a favour, Jared, pick that platter up over there, my friend. If that stiffens up a little bit, put some mineral oil in, and that softens it. Okay. So get this on clean and put it. Maybe making it flows through the foot. The foot is part of the curve itself, or the curve comes into that foot. That curve has to flow right through that corner there, right through that corner, and come into there.
Well, I guess the guys are about ready for their lunch.
A night. It just seems absorbent.
So this is just one of the typical lunches that Jimmy organises for his students when they're doing a course. So people come from all over the world to come to Jimmy's courses. So I'm just going to find out exactly who's here today. So name and where you come from.
I'm Kerry. I'm from the Big Island, Hawaii.
That's fine.
I'm Danette. I'm from San Francisco.
Okay, love San Francisco.
I'm Jared. I'm local in Las Vegas.
Oh, unfortunate.
I'm Chip Custer from Wilmington, North Carolina.
And who are you?
This is Jimmy Clewes from Las Vegas, Nevada.
Oh, the chef.
Flows through the foot. The foot is part of the curve itself, or the curve comes into that foot. That curve has to flow right through that corner there, right through that corner, and come into there. On here. Yeah. It's going to have to be a lot more steeper, because if you imagine, if I said to you now, right, cut the foot off, and what we're going to be left with? Are you going to be left with a flat or a curve? Yeah.
My name is Chip Custer. I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina. I just finished Jimmy Clewes' course, and it was fantastic. I learned a tremendous amount.
It was a great 3 days. I learned a lot. I can't wait to come back and learn more. Fantastic.
Hi, I'm Kerry, and this class is just amazing. Jimmy's an amazing teacher. He's great, instills confidence, and that helps me just go from a beginner to an average or advanced beginner.
Yes, I've just finished attending one of Jimmy Clewes Woodturning classes, and I appreciate the fact that he's so pleasant and yet such a great teacher, and the fact that you come out with turned pieces that you can use as a gift or keep as family heirlooms. It's just a really wonderful 3 days.
And have you been here before?
I've been here 8 times before.